Hello friends, today we'll learn some fun two-letter words. Listen carefully, say them with us, and let's have fun reading together.
Yay!
Woo!
A, T makes at, like in cat.
Say it with me, at.
I, in makes in, like in. Say it with me.
In.
On. N makes on, like in on the mat. Say it with me. On.
On.
Great job.
Up makes up. Reach up high. Say it with me. Up.
Up.
I makes it. Like in sit. Say it with me.
It.
An makes an, like in an apple. Say it with me.
Am makes am, like in I am happy.
Say it with me, am.
A, S makes as big as a bear. Say it with me.
As.
B, E makes be, like in be kind.
Say it with me. B.
If you're enjoying learning words, click subscribe so you never miss our next video.
G, O makes go. Ready, set, go!
Go!
Say it with me.
M, E makes me, like in that's me. Say it with me.
Me.
No. Shake your head. No. Say it with me.
No. No.
O makes so. So much fun. Say it with me.
So.
T, O makes two. Time to learn. Say it with me.
Two.
We learn together. Say it with me.
We.
D, O makes do. Do your best. Say it with me. Do. Do.
He makes he. He runs fast. Say it with me. He.
He.
If makes if. If you smile, I smile too. Say it with me.
If.
M, Y makes my. My name is Sam. Say it with me. My.
If you enjoyed reading with us, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning.